Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 8 on the topic chapter 4 lesson 3. I am repeating, today our topic is chapter 4 lesson 3 and it will be reading done. And today our lecture number is 7 and homework number is 6. Now students, please take your textbook. I am going to read. Listen to me carefully. Our today's topic is chapter 4 lesson 3 and in our earlier class we have done reading lesson 1 and 2 from chapter 4. Our today's topic is lesson 3 archaeological resources preserved at museum. Many archaeological items collected from the archaeological works have been preserved for exhibition in the museums. Looking at these archaeological resources, we can have an idea about old history and tradition of the country. Our national museum is at Dhaka. So where is our national museum? It is at Dhaka. Besides, there are many archaeological resources and the archives of different archaeological sites. So in this picture, what can you see? This is the picture of Bangladesh National Museum and this is an archaeological resource of Bangladesh. Now come to page number 56. There are a good number of archaeological resources relating to the Nawab of Bengal, Jamindars and the English rule in the gallery of Bangladesh National Museum. Mentionable among them are the commodities and goods made of ivory used by the Maharaja of Dinajpur, the trace goods made of ivory and many arms and arrows brought from the collections of Jamindar Narendra Narayan Roy Choudhury of Balder have also been kept in our National Museum. So all these are kept in our National Museum. All these are lot of valuable. Besides, goods, dresses, arrows, the thorn used by the Jamindar of Dikhapatia and the embroidered dresses and artistic goods used by the Nawabs of Dhaka have also been preserved in this museum. So not only the mentioned things but also the artistic dresses and goods of Nawabs of Dhaka have been preserved in this museum. Many archaeological works have also been kept at some regional museums and archives for public exhibition. So people can see all this through exhibition. Most of the archives are located at the old palace of Jamindars. So the palaces of Jamindars are now using as the museum. Many goods used by the Jamindars and many archaeological resources collected by them are exhibited in those places. So the goods used by Jamindars and many archaeological resources collected by them are exhibited in those places. That means in that palaces of the Jamindars. There is an archive at Ahsan Manzil at Dhaka. So there is another archive we are saying at Ahsan Manzil at Dhaka. The dresses, coats, chairs, sofa sets, ornaments and the photograph works of the Nawabs of Dhaka have been kept there. A museum was established at Mymensingh town in 1969-80. The Archaeological Department of Bangladesh government runs this museum. So under the influence of Archaeological Department of Bangladesh, government runs this museum. Mainly the commodities used by the Jamindars of Greater Mymensingh have been kept there. The archaeological resources of the Jamindars of Muktagacha are prominent in Mymensingh Museum. Mentionable among them are the flower vases made of stone, compass clock, ornaments, pottery items, weaving machine, iron safe, sports materials, statue of Saraswati and Vishnu, tiger dragon, wild ox, head of deer, sofa set and the statue made in Italy. So all these are also preserved in Mymensingh Museum. There is another archive at the palace of Jamindar of Tajhat at Rangpur. So we are talking about another museum or palace of Jamindar, which is situated at Taj Hat at Rangpur. Commodities used by Taj Hat Jamindar, items made of burnt clay, manuscript written in Sanskrit and Arabic have been preserved in this museum. So in the museum of Taj Hat Rangpur, what is preserved? The items made of burnt clay, manuscript written in Sanskrit and Arabic. All these are preserved in this museum. Many commodities and photographic works commemorating Rabindranath have been kept at his Kutibari, that means cottage house at Shilaidaho in Kustia. We can get an idea about the lifestyle of the elite class from the different archaeological resources kept at museums and archives. So students, if you have ever visited any museum, then you will be able to learn a lot of lifestyle of these elite people, because in the museum usually we used to preserve the elements or use things of elite classes people. So students, that's lesson 3. Now I am providing your homework. Your homework will be 5 one-word answer from chapter 4 lesson 3, and don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Students, please do your homework and don't forget to submit your homework copies on every Saturday. See you in our next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.